What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm only going to spend only a couple hours doing the car. We actually are going to lay the roof. I already glassed it out with the Avery Gloss Black. It's very easy to do with just one person because of how thin it is. So let me show you. You can see how thin the material is right here. It literally is like, I can't even describe how thin this is. Like thinner than 1 millimeter. So it's easy to glass. You can see I'm picking it up, how much pliable it is as well, see? So you just gotta be very careful when you're stretching this, not to overstretch it, but it's really hard to. If everything is laid down like this already. I've already contoured it around, but for the most part, you can see how easy it is to work with. You know, it's really pliable stuff. Only bad thing is it does stick to itself, so you gotta be careful with this. I did lay tape ahead of time because it doesn't stick to tape as easily than it does to vinyl or glass. So that's also a great precaution to do, is tape around all the edges as you're laying this down. Also pop the sunroof down so we can cut that out later, about 1/2 inch to 1 inch all the way around, and we're going to tuck it underneath. So I'm going to go ahead and put you on tripod and we're going to time lapse the install. What's up guys, so I just finished doing the roof. As you can see, looking really nice and glossy all the way through. Also did a shark fin in one piece, but I ended up cutting it on the back with knifeless tape and overlapping it because I couldn't for the life of me get it to wrap and conform around that shark fin, because the back of the fin kind of like goes up like that. I don't know, I just wasn't experienced, so I just went ahead and saved myself the trouble and wrapped it and, you know, do 2 pieces or a seam. Also went ahead and did the hood over here. I didn't want to record it because I'm in a very tight spot. I got tires back here. There's nowhere to put the tripod really. But my older brother helped me glass it out and we were able to squeege it clean. Show you guys the corners there. Another corner there. Edges are all nicely tucked. Another clean corner. Here as well. Tucked all the way through. Also trimmed closer into the middle between this trim over here because I wanted it to cover full coverage, as well as back here. Tucked clean away. Car's coming together. Still gotta do the side skirt, gotta do the fender tomorrow, and we gotta do the back and the front bumper. So as you can see, not done yet, but looking really nice. The reflection from this insulation onto the trunk really makes this look really cool. What do you guys think? You like it? I'm digging it. So yeah, I didn't record much today. It's actually midnight already. I have work tomorrow, so I'm gonna do another video tomorrow on the bumper or the fender, depending. Might do a time lapse as well, since some of you guys already know how to wrap for the most part. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you're a new time viewer, and leave a comment if you like the satin rose gold chrome on my girlfriend's TLX. I think it really brings out the body lines on this car. I can't wait to see it done with the black trims, the black roof, and all that stuff to make it look really, really nice. And it's only a couple more days at this point. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.